So all across the FX industry, we are seeing more and more robots trading the market, and so many different people basically promoting bots, robots, EAs, however you want to call them, that actually trade for you. So you don't have to trade anymore, you can just leave it and you make money passively. So what do I think about FX robots? This is what we're going to see in this video. So trading robots, also called algos, also called EAs on MT4, also called bots, are basically computer programs that carry out trading functions. Whether these trading functions come out as signals to actually let the trader know that there is an opportunity, or actually take out positions and actually manage trades on the live market. So of course, trading robots will be able to scan thousands of charts in order to find opportunities. Now, something else we need to note about these trading robots is that they are always programmed by someone, okay? So there is always a trader behind it that actually puts in the functions in order for the robot to trade based on these functions, based on technical analysis. So first of all, the positive aspect a robot would have against an actual human trader is the fact that the robot would not have any emotions, right? Now, generally speaking, because robots are based on technical analysis, they profit a lot from small market moves. Most of the robots we're going to see out there are usually scalping robots. So as they profit from these small price fluctuations, they tend to be quite profitable in tight range markets or very well-defined trends. But obviously, if that's the market condition robots thrive in, then choppy market, choppy price action is the enemy of robots. And the thing is that large price swings could actually wipe out a whole account, because these robots are actually profiting from small price movements. But so a very large price swing could actually blow out a whole account because it's trading in a way that did not take into consideration this potential move. You see, the problem is that successful trading requires skill, requires intuition, requires an analytical approach, requires knowledge, and sadly, robots have none of these. Robots or algos cannot come up with their own strategies, okay? They cannot adapt to what the market is doing. They are just executing what the trader coded. Now, obviously, some financial institutions, even some retail traders, actually use robots in a successful manner. However, real bots require a lot of user input and actual management from the user. So these financial institutions or these traders actually know exactly how this bot works, knows the market conditions, understand the fundamentals, and is able to tweak the robot, stop the robot, activate the robot, and basically actively manage. So they are maybe not the one trading, but they are actively on the market managing that bot. So basically, in their situation, the bot removes the repetitive work. However, the bot is not the smarter person, okay? It's still the trader basically making the decisions, and the robot cannot be the smarter party between the trader and the robot. And this is sadly where a lot of people go wrong, because a lot of people think that getting a robot is an easy way to make money because the robot does the work and you don't. However, this is not the case. And sadly, all this advertising you're seeing online for FX robots that promise huge returns, you don't have to do anything, the robot will be smarter than you, it's absolute bullshit, okay? Now, I know a lot of you will look at backtest of the robot. A lot of robots will actually show you some backtest, and the backtest is looking very profitable, okay? However, you need to understand that in trading, whatever strategy you decide to use, even if it's the worst performing strategy, if you make a backtest over the last, let's say, 10 years, they will be at some point where the strategy is profitable. If you only choose this part of the backtest, you could actually sell this robot and say, look how well it's performing. And so many people use backtesting tricks in order to scam people. Now, let me know if that's something you'd actually want to see in a video, how people use backtesting to false information, false data, and to basically trick people into thinking they will have a similar performance. So definitely let me know down in the comments if that's a video you'd like me to do in the future. So now for my honest opinion, do FX robots work? And the answer technically is yes, if it's been coded by its own trader and is actively managed by the trader. But the thing is that I know that every single person that asks me about FX robots are looking for a robot that does all the work. They don't want to have the knowledge. They don't want to actively manage. That robot is not what they expect. Now, the question is, can you actually buy a profitable FX robot online? And the thing is, 99.9999% of it is going to be scams, okay? Simply because the marketing is telling you it's a scam. The marketing is telling you it's a set and forget trading algo that just makes all the work. And as I told you, things do not work like this. Yes, financial institutions do use robots. However, they have hundreds of people managing these robots every single day, okay? I have a friend of mine who is a professional retail trader, trades for a living, and he trades with robots. However, he creates a robot and he is working day and night. He's trading the whole day. He is in front of the markets managing the robots, okay? So he doesn't have a passive robot just making money and he's here in Panama just sipping cocktails. Not at all, okay? He's literally trading the market. The robot is just removing the repetitive work he would have to do. So I really hope you found this video useful and it will allow you not to fall into these traps of FX robots you see online. If you found value in this video, please leave a thumbs up. You can also check all my other YouTube videos. I talk about trading, finance, investing. I post a video on YouTube every single Sunday. I read all my comments and you can also contact me directly on Instagram if you ever need something. I wish you an amazing rest of your day. It was Elliot. Peace.